Good morning students. Today's science lesson. Open page number 65. We are going to continue the same topic, structure of group 1 elements. Okay. Open page number 65 in your red course book. Trends in group 1 continued. Now see, in this we are going to study about electronic structure of the elements of group 1. Okay, so the first example is lithium. See, in lithium you can see two numbers, 3 up and 7 down. Means 3 is the atomic number and 7 is the atomic mass. So atomic number is 3, atomic mass is 7. You are going to write it like this. Then electrons will be equal to the atomic number. So electrons will be 3, and as you know, electrons are equal to protons. So protons are also 3. Now about the number of neutrons. How you will find out the number of neutrons? Simply 7 minus 3, it will be 4. So the number of neutrons will be 4 in lithium. So on the left side you can see the structure of lithium. This is the electronic structure of lithium, and if in exam it comes, you have to draw the structure like this. You have to draw the nucleus inside, write lithium inside, the symbol of lithium. Then in the first orbit or first shell you are going to draw 2 electrons, and in the second one you are going to draw 1 electron. So total number of electrons will be 3. Okay. Now let's come to the second example. Excuse me. Sodium. For sodium you can see 11 on the top and 23 down. Means the atomic number of sodium is 11 and the atomic mass is 23. So atomic number is equal to electrons is equal to protons. Same thing. So electrons will be 11, protons will be 11. And for the neutrons, when you will minus 23 minus 11, you will get 12. So the number of neutrons will be 12 in sodium. Now let's see the electronic structure. First orbit, see, only 2 electrons. Second orbit, 8. Okay. Now the third one. Third orbit or third shell has only 1 electron. So total number will be 2, 8, 1. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So the atomic number 11. So if a question comes on the electronic structure of sodium, you have to draw same like this. Okay, understand? Now let's come to the third example, that is potassium. You can see the atomic number and atomic mass of potassium. Atomic number 19, potassium, and atomic mass 39. Now atomic number is equal to electrons is equal to protons. So electrons will be 19, protons will be 19. And for the neutrons, you have to minus the atomic mass with the protons or electrons. So 39 minus 19 will be 20. So the number of neutrons will be 20. So question will come like that. Like for potassium, they will give the atomic mass and atomic number, and they will ask the number of neutrons or protons or electrons, whatever they want to ask in a question. Now see, it a bit difficult as compared to the other examples, but it is easy. If you see, first shell or orbit have 2 electrons, second 8, then again third 8 electrons, and the last one will be 1. So the electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 8, 1. Okay. Now see, I have done this for you. You can see in these slide electronic configuration. Lithium 2, then sodium 2, 8, 1, then potassium 2, 8, 8, 1. So electronic configuration for the alkali metals. For lithium it is 2,1. For sodium it is 2,8,1. For potassium it is 2,8,8,1. So you can see group 1, there is a correlation between these numbers, electronic configuration, and the name group 1. Group 1 means the outermost orbit has only one electron. See, in lithium also the outermost orbit 1. In sodium also the outermost orbit 1. And in potassium also the outermost orbit or outermost shell has only one electron. You can see lithium 2,1, sodium 2,8,1, then potassium 2,8,8,1. Clear? Like this, if we proceed in periodic table, you will see in group 2, the outermost orbit will have 2 electrons. Then as we proceed 3, 3, 4, 4 like this, there is a correlation or a pattern, and this will help you in learning the electronic configuration. Okay. Now let's come to the structure also. You can see for lithium, for sodium, for potassium. It is from your book only, so you can correlate it and try to make the structures like this only. So in these 3 structures you can see the outermost orbit. This outermost orbit has only one electron in all lithium, sodium and potassium. Okay. Now see, I have attached one worksheet for you. Complete the adjoining worksheet by writing the number of electrons, protons and neutrons, and drawing electrons and writing the electronic structure. You are going to do all the things which I had taught you in this lesson. And I think it is very easy. If you pay attention, you will learn very nicely, because chemistry is easy if you go step by step. Okay. Thanks for listening, and please show me your homework. Okay. Bye.